Today, as I read the words of A. Allen, The Price of God's Miracle Working Power book, the seriousness of the calling that God has put on me dawned big. I was a few pages into chapter 1, but I knew that God was directing me to a template of what to do to grow in His ministry. He was calling me to be not like others. He was calling me to no shows this summer. Fasting was a requirement and there were lengthy prayers in my future. I could see this. Somehow clarity creeps forward effortlessly in the night hours, doesn't it? My spirit was willing, my heart was light, my senses were nervous and filled with dread because my mind knew that, like A. Allen, this time I was going into it and not stopping until I heard from heaven. But if my aim is to serve at God's pleasure, then I must conform. If I aim to get rid of pride and be humble, if I aim to die to self, if I aim to be even a quarter as impactful in ministry as A. Allen was, it was time to kill all earthly desires. God help me. In my mind, in my body, in my spirit, I know that I must conform. I know that it is time that God wants me to focus on ministry and to focus on reaching out to others. And that is why I have started to record these messages, because He has been impressing it on my mind. And I pray that this message touches your heart, because I'm sure that there are many of you out there whereby you have been impacted. You have felt the leading to go into ministry. And let me tell you, ministry is not limited to the church. Many people are out there in the workplaces and they will never ever go into a church. But if you stand up and you reach out to them in the workplaces, in school, you can reach somebody who maybe would have never heard the gospel of Jesus Christ. So I encourage you that, like A. Allen, let us all focus. Let us all focus on God. Let us all just jump into our ministry under God's leading. He will show us the way. Have a great day.